This is one of the most formidable and debated pieces of machinery on the planet. The F-35 Lightning II, a machine wrapped in secrecy, cutting-edge technology, and staggering capability. But what makes a fifth-generation fighter so different? And what's it really like to fly one? I'm Rana Asif, and welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we have exclusive access at Hill Air Force Base with the 388th Fighter Wing. We're going to break down the F-35A's incredible engineering, speak with the pilots who fly it, and witness its raw performance in a full flight demonstration. Strap in. Major Wolfe, thank you for your time. For our audience, the term fifth generation gets used a lot. In simple terms, what's the core advantage? It boils down to three things: stealth, sensors, and fusion. Stealth means we can operate in contested airspace. But more than that, the jet's sensors gather a massive amount of information and fuse it into a single, clear picture for the pilot. It's about decision advantage, and flying it, describe the sensation. It's less like flying a traditional jet and more like being the conductor of a symphony. You're managing this incredible flow of data. The aircraft handles intuitively. You tell it what you want to do, and its advanced flight control system figures out the best way to execute. The magic starts here. This houses a powerful AESA radar that can track multiple targets, air and ground, simultaneously. But the game changer is the distributed aperture system DAS. 6 infrared cameras around the airframe give me a 360-degree spherical view of the battlefield. I can literally look through the floor of the jet on my helmet display to see a threat below. That's incredible. And for engaging targets, under the chin is the EOTS, like a high-powered, precision targeting pod built into the skin. For weapons, everything is carried internally to maintain stealth. We can carry a variety of munitions, from air-to-air missiles to 2,000-pound precision-guided bombs. The jet can engage multiple different targets in a single pass. The pilot's most critical interface isn't a stick or throttle, it's this. This is the most advanced fighter pilot helmet ever built. It replaces a traditional heads-up display. All flight data, targeting cues, and even the 360-degree video feed from the DAS are projected directly onto the visor. Every helmet is custom molded to the pilot's head for perfect alignment. It has integrated night vision and even a noise-canceling system. The level of situational awareness this provides is unimaginable. It's the definition of being one with the machine. But all this technology means nothing without performance. Now, it's time to see the F-35 in its element. Lightning II cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff. It's showtime. Watch the agility. This isn't just about speed, it's about precision, angle of attack, and energy management. What you're seeing is a balance of raw power from its 43,000 pounds thrust Pratt & Whitney engine and digital flight controls that make such precise maneuvers possible. The F-35 Lightning II is more than a fighter jet. It's a flying supercomputer, a sensor node, and a weapons platform, all designed to give its pilot an overwhelming advantage. After seeing it today, the engineering achievement is undeniable. A massive thank you to the professionals of the 388th Fighter Wing at Hill Air Force Base for their time and for the incredible demonstration. If you enjoyed this deep dive into cutting-edge aerospace tech, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that goes beyond the surface. Let me know in the comments what piece of modern engineering you want us to explore next. I'm Rana Asif. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.